we're gonna try out this hose system thing where you like start the mower up and it cleans underneath of it. We just fixed this push mower for free. That build ain't looking too good. But set the mower down. I'm gonna go turn the water on and we'll start it up. You saw it before. And we'll compare how it looks after. Man, our hose sucks. Pick it up, just look under it and see the water coming out. Yeah, it's peeing on me. I put the mower down, give it a start and we'll see how it does. Just let it run like this for about 30 seconds and then so you think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll shut our water back off. Yeah, pick it up. Let's see if it did anything. Not really. I mean, it's okay. Some of the stuff. You want to come have a look under it? I'll stand on it. Yeah, you can see.
It did jack shit.
Yeah, exactly. It didn't really do nothing, so that was kind of a waste of time.